Hey, this video is a test of patience. Why? You'll find out when removing the headphone pads. Or maybe you already know, since you're watching this video. Today we're looking at the HyperX Cloud III wireless gaming headset. But the same technique for changing the Earpads works for any Cloud and Stinger headphones. These headsets are built like tanks, but eventually those Earpads may need to be replaced or removed for cleaning. Removing the old pads is actually the easy part. You don't need any tools. Just grip the edge of the Earpad, where it meets the air cup, and give it a firm, steady pull away from the frame. It's held in place by a flexible lip tucked into a small groove. Remove both Earpad cushions this way. Putting the Earpads back on is the harder part. Start by stretching the pad flange a little. This makes the installation easier. The goal is to tuck the pad flange back into the headphone groove. Tuck a small section of the pad lip into the groove. Hold that spot down with your fingers and slowly work around the perimeter. Keep holding the part that is already inserted, so the pad lip doesn't pop out. Just hold the seated part and keep feeding the rest into the groove. Once you're near the end, give the pad a little wiggle or a slight rotation to make sure it is fully set all the way around. Repeat these steps on the other side, and you're back in the game with that HyperX comfort. Good luck and thanks for watching.